Spring Township, 2917 Cotswold Road. Secure on one fire alarm, Station 85, Station 79, Engine 85, Engine 18-2, Ladder 18. Spring Township, 2917 Cotswold Road. Portion of Sheffield Drive and Duffield Lane. SAH automatic fire alarm, appropriate manual pull, 2106.
They were here last night for a detector that was pulled down from the ceiling. They're having issues now with the alarm. You can hold it to the engine.
Copy that. I retain it. Just let me know you may pick up and go back. Berks 85. The freezing the interior is malfunctioning. Our system, engine 85 will be held in fire. On the problem, you can return when you're
Deputy 85 freezing the interior, malfunctioning system, reholding engine 85, return the last 2150. Central apparatus responding at 2917 Cotswold Road, the exception of engine 85 is in